How's it going, everybody? If you're wondering why I'm dressed up like this, I recently came back from vacation in Cuba. That's why I've got such a nice complexion. While walking through Veradero, I found something. And no, it's not the proof that Justin Trudeau is in fact Fidel Castro's son. Conspiracy? Justin, can you explain yourself, maybe? While we were walking through Veradero, we stumbled across a cigar shop. And of course, you can't go to Cuba without buying one of these bad boys. And when we were walking through lots of the shops and whatnot, I saw a lot of these little wood cigar cutters with a little metal guillotine almost kind of in the middle. And I thought to myself, I kind of want to try to make one of those. So as soon as I got back, I got right to it. And I'll show you kind of my prototype that I started just to see if I got the sizing right and kind of the design and if it was even functional. Then I'll show you kind of my finished product that I actually spent a little bit of time on sanding and making it look nice. This prototype one is pretty bare bones, so bear with me here. I based this cigar cutter style off the ones that I saw just in the street vendors in Cuba, and it's basically something where you just stick your two fingers in, put the cigar in the middle, close it, and the metal piece will cut the end of the cigar off. So obviously this doesn't look that nice. It's a couple pieces of pine, which I actually hot glued to this middle piece because it just seemed quicker, I don't know. And then this middle piece is actually two smaller pieces of 1/8 birch plywood glued together. And it was pretty simple. All I really did was just bandsaw these, cut 3 holes, glue this guy together, and to make the metal piece go in and out, I just took a hand file and kind of grooved it in there just so that it would slide. And I left a little square in the top corner so that you can't pull it out. It just stays in there. The metal piece in here also is just a scrap piece of banding that I got from a bundle of wood actually. So all I did was just take a couple metal cutters and cut an angle to it, and pretty simple, like not a whole lot to this, but let's see if the final design will actually work. The final one that I'm going to show you here right away, I actually made all on my CNC machine, so it's all pretty precise and a lot cleaner than this other one. And so this is it, exact same idea. Piece of metal, open and close. The biggest difference with this one is I kind of buffed the metal, actually put an angle on it, if you can kind of see it there, sharpened it, kind of grounded the tops a little bit more, added some stain, really just made it look pretty. This isn't too pretty, and I actually broke it, so not that great. Here I actually used wood glue rather than hot glue, but you can see this was enough to show me that I could actually do it. So I say let's see if it actually works. Got my cigar, got my cutter, let's try this out. That was actually pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Here's the piece I cut off. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. That'd be very appreciated. So let's end out this video in style.